In the hidden valleys of the tropics, sunrise reveals a secret that defies nature. Here the jungle floor bows under a weight that no ordinary branch could bear. These are not mere fruits. They are the titans, massive mangoes, their skins glowing with a gradient of deep green, fading into ruby red and gold. There are no trucks here. The transport is elemental. Farmers roll the colossal fruits down wooden ramps, sending them crashing into the jungle river. They hit the blue water with a rolling rumble, bobbing heavily like colorful buoys. Dozens of them float downstream, a parade of red and gold drifting with the current. Sunlight reflects off their wet skins as they bump gently into one another, traveling from the wild chaos of the jungle to the order of the machine. Perfection can be revealed. It must be purified. The mangoes enter the hot water spa. Steam rises around them, loosening the tough skin and intensifying the vibrant colors until they glow with a glossy red sheen. Soft, rotating brushes engage, polishing the surface until it squeaks. The texture is left waxy, pristine, and ready for the blade. Now, the surgery begins. A laser-guided blade makes the first incision. The skin is thick, and golden juice beads up instantly along the cut line. Then, the velvet peel. A machine strips the skin in one continuous, mesmerizing ribbon. What is revealed underneath is breathtaking. A glowing, deep yellow-orange orb, soft and velvety to the touch, releasing a cloud of fresh tropical steam. It glistens under the factory lights, weeping nectar. A circular blade slices through the meat, avoiding the massive central seed. The two giant halves, the cheeks, drop onto the belt with a heavy, wet thud. The flesh is thick and dense. Then comes the matrix cut. A grid of blades presses down, slicing the meat into geometric perfection without breaking the structure. A mechanical finger pushes from below, popping the cubes outward in the famous hedgehog style. The orange cubes glisten, separated and ready to fall. A blade scrapes them free, sending hundreds of glowing jelly-like chunks tumbling through the air in slow motion. A mountain of fresh cubes lands on the shaker table, vibrating to drain the excess juice. The imperfect pieces meet a different fate, crushed by heavy rollers into a thick, viscous golden puree that flows like lava. Glass jars move down the line. A nozzle fills them to the brim with the perfect cubes, while a second nozzle pours the thick nectar to fill the gaps. Air bubbles rise slowly through the syrup. The gold lid twists shut, the seal pops, and the jar is complete.
Automated arm precisely stacks the golden harvest, ensuring every jar is perfectly placed.
Stacked by robots, they glow like lanterns in the dim warehouse, waiting for the world. But some giants are destined for a different form. frozen chunks fall into high-speed blenders, pulverized into a smooth orange frost. An ice cream scoop glides through the dense velvet texture, curling a perfect ball of giant mango sorbet. Others are sliced into long, thin, vertical strips. Laid on racks, they enter the dehydration oven. Time passes. The heat shrinks them, turning the wet fruit into a dark, rich, chewy delicacy. When torn, the fibers stretch, coated in their own crystallized sugar. And finally, the essence is captured in candy. Molten mango puree moves through the pipes like glowing orange lava. Injected with precision into silicone molds, it settles and cools. The molds twist, and hundreds of bouncy gummies pop out, jiggling with life. They pass through a curtain of falling sugar, catching the light like diamonds. Fresh, frozen, dried, or candied, the journey ends here. A spoon digs into the soft, buttery flesh of the fresh cube. It lifts toward you, wobbling slightly, dripping with cold nectar. A taste of the giant in the palm of your hand.